Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries, fire sign. This is April bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Two cards. I think reconciliation is coming. Yes. Straight message. Aries. Three of Pentacles under the deck. Someone want to collaborate with you. They want partnership with you. Maybe in past there is no partnership between you and your person. There is no collaboration. And Two of Wands. Maybe one person in this connection have options. And this could be long distance relationship. And you may be thinking about them a lot. Yes, someone is coming back for reconciliation. So let's see our reading. Recent past, Virgo, the Hermit, Seven of Pentacles and Three of Cups. So the person involved in this connection could be Virgo especially. So in recent past, you are not talking to anyone. You isolated from all. You are undergoing some transformation, Aries. And you're still waiting for someone or something because Seven of Pentacles. Maybe you invested an amount in some businesses and waiting for the result. And Three of Cups energy for some third party situation also involved in this connection. Here the third party could be family or friends. Okay, not only another woman or another man. It could be a family or it could be friend. So some issues between you and your person. Third party also involved. That was past. For some it could be a man or woman also. But third party means not only men or women, it could be friend or family also. Then present Eight of Cups, Ace of Cups and Ten of Cups. Maybe one person is walked away in this connection. It could be you or your person. But someone is coming back to offer this Ten of Cups and Ace of Cups. Yes, for some a new love is also coming towards you. Ace of Cups energy. But I am saying past person also returning because Three of Pentacles is here. So for some, there are two persons coming. One could be new and one could be past one. But for some, only one person, that could be your past person coming to offer this Ten of Cups to you. Maybe when you decided to walk away and to give priority to yourself, self-love, then they realize you both. Yes, because future energies, Four of Cups, Nine of Cups and Emperor. Yes, you feeling missed opportunity with them, but you stand by your power. You are taking your control back, Aries. And your wishes are going to be granted. Because when you are taking your control back, you will attract. Definitely will attract the person or things into your life. Because you are not feeling needy. Yes. So someone is returning. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. And the signs are Aries, Leo, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Lot of water energy, guys. Or Virgo especially. So under the deck here, King of Cups. So let's see their feelings. Their current feelings. Nine of Swords. Two cards. Judgment, Death and Rebirth, Justice. Yes. So they want second chances with you. They're missing you. Nine of Swords energy. They're thinking about you. They can't let you go. Maybe once you gone, they started realizing your worth and judgment. They're going to be make some major decision regarding this relationship or regarding you, and they want rebirth in this connection. Still, your person want rebirth in this connection. Just if the person involved in this connection could be Libra or Scorpio, especially a Virgo. Yes, they are thinking about coming back for second chances, and they're missing you. They're losing their nights over you because Nine of Swords energy is here. So let's see their intentions. Wow. Yes, they're going to be make action very soon because King of Wands is here. They're planning and they will execute their plan also. At the Sun, now they're realizing you are their happiness, you are their sunshine. And Seven of Cups, maybe in past they have options, they are in some confusion state, but now they're getting clarity. For some, your person dreaming about you more. So Seven of Cups with Four of Wands. Yes, they want this happiness with you. Four of Wands energy. For some, very few, maybe you both are in twin flame journey also. But they are going to be make action very soon, and they want this happiness with you. Yes, they are missing you. They're starting realizing your worth. And they're going to be make some major decision. And they're going to be choose you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Six of Wands. Wow. Five of Swords and Queen of Pentacles. So your person want to share their life with you. And Five of Swords, yes, still there are some disturbances between both of you, some arguments or some fightings, but they want success in this connection and they want to win you back again into their life. For some, your person is a very famous person and they are already successful in their life, like career wise. You are very defensive for some. For some, you also want this person back. You also don't want to give up on this person. And King of Pentacles, yes, they are ready to offer stability. And Knight of Cups, and this person is very romantic and they want to offer their cup of love to you. Yes, this time they are very serious about you. They are coming back with an offer, solid offer. Aries. See, mutual Eight of Wands, communication is coming and this connection is spiritual. High Priestess is here. Even though you are in separation, you both are contacted like telepathy, spiritual connection. So definitely your person want to communicate with you in near future. There will be back and forth communication between you and your person because Eight of Wands is here and there will be some growth also in this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be signs, could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Especially Scorpio, Libra or Virgo. And you both have to trust your intuition and listening to your intuition and follow that. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Aries. What do you need to release? The energy is gaining momentum. Yes, waxing moon. So both are waxing moons. So if you are not seeing any momentum, but there is momentum. Maybe now that's in 3D, but the energy is gaining momentum. Yes, you person planning to make action. Yes, now they're feeling, now they're planning, but in near future they will execute their plan successfully. Because your person, King of Wands, for some maybe your person is very dominative and aggressive in nature also. For some, like very angry person. then what do you need to release? So if you have any negative thoughts or negative habits, whatever negative thinking about this person especially or about this relationship, you have to release. Okay, that thoughts also creates resistance in the relationship. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.